Welcome to this short presentation of CapaInstaller from CapaSystems. In this video, I will show you just how easy it is to install software using CapaInstaller. Open the console and go to the Configuration Management area. Expand the application tree and right-click on the software package you want to install and select Add to Buffer. Find the computer you want to install the package on and select Paste Package. As you can see, the package is now waiting to be installed. The installation will automatically start when the CapaInstaller agent on the client communicates with the CapaInstaller server. If you wish to start the installation immediately, you can restart the CapaInstaller agent on the client from the console. Right-click on the computer and select Restart Agent. The package is now installed on the computer. Each package installation is logged in CapaInstaller. To view the installation log, just right-click on the package and select View Installation Log. The log file is filled with useful information, such as the command used to install the software and the installation start and finish time. To install several packages on a computer, simply hold down Ctrl while selecting the packages you want to install. Add them to the buffer, select the target computer, and paste the packages on the computer. The copy-paste function can be used in many variations. Here I select 3 computers, add them to the buffer, and paste them on a single package. To start the software installation on the computers immediately, I restart the computer agent on all 3 computers in one simple action. If you want to know more about CapaInstaller, visit our webpage capasystems.com. Thanks for watching.